Now, you've probably heard of a food bank, but have you heard of a diaper bank?
Razia Hill is the executive director and founder of Every Bottom Covered, a local diaper bank supporting Western New York families.
We provide diapers and wipes for low-income families under the age of 3 years old for all the children in the household. And we also just work to raise awareness on diaper need in Western New York and how it affects the entire community, not just the family.
Hill knows firsthand what it is like to struggle to cover the cost of diapers, and it is why she started Every Bottom Covered.
I'm a single mom, and when my son was a baby, he's 17 now, but when he was a baby, I experienced diaper need, and there's nowhere in our area that you could get diapers. And so it's a labor of love, quite honestly, just reaching back to help other families not have to experience the effects of diaper need.
What was it like for you being without diapers or having limited diapers?
Diaper need, especially in my household, is leaving the diaper on a little bit longer. Struggling just to make sure that you have diapers from week to week. I was a working mom, but I was what you consider the working poor.
And in New York State, parents cannot use food stamps to buy diapers. Leaving a diaper on a little longer so you do not have to go through as many can lead to serious health issues, says Univera Healthcare Chief Medical Officer Dr. Richard Vian.
How dire is the need for diapers in our community?
Yeah, so according to Huggies and the National Diaper Bank, up to a third of the parents have a diaper need. So it's so important to get those bottoms covered, because if the diaper rashes occur or the infections occur, that can lead to some serious complications, and these kids might end up in emergency rooms. So it's real important to meet this need, and we at Univera feel that it's a need that needs to be covered, and therefore we've stepped to the plate to cover it.
In the form of a $10,000 grant. Univera employees also stepped up, buying items off the Every Bottom Covered Amazon wish list.
I think if you aren't in a position to struggle for diapers, you don't think about struggling for diapers. So I think it's just something that's not on our radar like it should be, like food is.
How did it feel for you knowing that it was something you needed for your child but you weren't able to provide it?
Helpless. It makes you feel very helpless and hopeless. Every parent wants to provide for their child, and so not to be able to do that is a very helpless feeling. Not to be able to make sure that such a basic need is met in your household, it's devastating as a parent, and it really leads to a lot of things that we don't think about. The mental health issues of it all, just the depression that sets in when I can't provide for my child who needs me and can't provide for themselves.
And you are the only organization like this in the whole of Western New York.
We are the only diaper bank in Western New York, yes.
And with 1 in 3 families in the United States experiencing diaper need, just like the local food banks, the Every Bottom Covered Diaper Bank has seen a sharp increase in demand.
So it's a big task, but it just shows that one person can make a difference. I started this in my living room, and to be standing here in a warehouse, framed by diapers, just really lets you know that you can make a difference in your community if you really want to, or if you really try to.
Find out more at everybottomcovered.org.
So amazing, and there's so many ways you can support. So first up, if you are in need of diapers, because so many people are, then you can pick them up at the Delaware Community Centre, but you will need to register. So jump online to everybottomcovered.org. And other ways to support them, of course, you can donate, you can volunteer your time. They have an Amazon wish list, and also they are listed as an Amazon charity. So if you go to Amazon Smile, you can register Every Bottom Covered as your charity of choice. So every time you buy something on Amazon, then some money goes towards Every Bottom Covered. So that's an amazing way that you can support such a fantastic community organization. Coming